The Turnkey installation service is where the Pro Church Lights team comes on site to your church to complete the entire lighting package installation, just like what is happening behind me now. But before we get on site to perform the installation, there's a lot that happens at the very beginning stage. At the very beginning, we first start with a general visual mock-up and estimate. This is available to you online right now that you can walk the path on getting a visual mock-up of what new lights can look like in your auditorium. The next phase is deeper and more in-depth design and drawing phase with our inside engineers that are going to review existing electrical, data, rigging, and your structure as a whole to deliver to you a final plan that you can then sign off on. It's at this phase that we also do calls with any contractors you may have involved with the project so that everyone is on the same page as we move forward into the lockdown phase. It's at this point that travel is locked down as well as inventory of the new lighting equipment that will be shipped to you. Our internal team will prep all of the items and prepares it for delivery to your site. When it comes to selecting dates, we try to be as flexible as we can for you so that one, we can meet any deadlines that you have that you are trying to meet, as well as working around maybe other things you have going on in the auditorium if you're doing more than just the lighting upgrade at that time. Once the shipment is prepped and on the way to you, our crew is then on standby to head out to your location. The final phase is the actual installation. The Pro Church Lights team will arrive on site to your church, begin to unpack the shipment that has arrived, and begin the installation of rigging, data, cabling, the light fixtures, and the control. Final steps during that installation phase is training with your team. We sit down with your team to review everything that has been installed. We give them a tour of the entire new system. We show them the ins and the outs of the control system, and we do hands-on training with your team. We then do a review session remotely so that your team can bring any questions they have to the table. We can touch up any control questions they may have, dial things in as far as presets and groups, and answer general questions when it comes to the new lighting system. From initial concept through the estimation phase, the detailed drawing and design phase, and then finally, the installation. The Pro Church Lights team is here for you, standing by, ready to make your vision a reality. Talk with a lighting specialist today and discover how a turnkey can lighten the load of a brand new lighting system at your church. We look forward to coming alongside you and your church in helping you launch a new lighting system inside your space so that you can spread the gospel in a beautifully lit, distraction-free environment for your community.